Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to improve your water quality and reduce plastic waste, the Brita Plus BPA-Free Water Filter Replacement Pack. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Brita Plus Water Filter Replacement Pack? Simply put, it's a set of 4 high-density water filters designed for use with Brita pitchers and dispensers. These filters are specifically engineered to provide superior filtration compared to standard Brita filters, trapping twice the contaminants while ensuring you still retain essential minerals and electrolytes in your drinking water. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of the Brita Plus filters. First and foremost, they are certified by WQA-NSF/ANSI, meaning they meet rigorous standards for contaminant reduction. These filters effectively reduce chlorine, mercury, cadmium, copper, and zinc unwanted elements that can often find their way into our tap water. This makes them ideal for anyone concerned about the purity of their drinking water. One of the key benefits of the Brita Plus filters is their longevity. Each filter lasts about 2 months or filters up to 40 gallons of water, which means you can enjoy clean, fresh-tasting water without the hassle of frequent replacements. This efficiency also means that each filter can replace the need for up to 300 single-use plastic water bottles. When you consider the environmental impact of plastic waste, using these filters is a great step towards sustainability. Another important feature of the Brita Plus filters is their ability to help retain beneficial minerals and electrolytes naturally found in water. Many other filtering systems tend to strip these essential components away, but with Brita Plus, you can enjoy great tasting, balanced water every day. This makes it not only suitable for everyday hydration but also a great choice for those who engage in physical activities and need to replenish their electrolytes. So, who is this product suitable for? Essentially, anyone who values clean, great-tasting water and cares about reducing their environmental footprint. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent looking to provide healthy options for your family, or an athlete needing to stay hydrated, the Brita Plus filters meet a wide range of needs. They are also perfect for those living in areas where tap water may have higher contaminant levels, giving you peace of mind with every sip. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine filling up your Brita pitcher after a long day at work. Instead of reaching for a plastic bottle, you can pour yourself a refreshing glass of filtered water that's free from impurities. Or think about using this filter while preparing meals, ensuring that the water you cook with is as pure as what you drink. This is especially important for parents who want to provide the best for their children. In summary, the Brita Plus BPA-Free Water Filter Replacement Pack is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their water quality while being environmentally conscious. With its superior filtration capabilities, long-lasting performance, and compatibility with all Brita pitchers and dispensers, except the stream, it stands out as a reliable choice for daily hydration. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.